Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Kris Gethin here. I've got a fun workout for all you kids of all ages today. I was sent this workout by my sister, and my little nieces Alice and Maggie wants to do this workout, and I know there's a lot of you out there that would love to do it too. So, we have written this workout for you. I would love to say that I did all these awesome animals here, but it was my lovely Sunshine who is filming here today. The frog here looks like a ladybird that's lost his spots though. But anyway, this is the kids 7-minute animal workout that you're gonna do today. What we're going to do are movements that animals do. Sounds fun, doesn't it? So we're gonna do frog jumps. That's gonna be our first exercise. Then we're going to try to walk like a bear. Then we're going to shuffle around like a gorilla. We're going to do jumps like a starfish does, apparently. And then we're going to do a cheetah run. We're not going to run in the street. We're going to run on the spot. And then this is going to be a new one for me, a crab crawl. Going to have to crab like a crawl like a crab. And then we're going to stomp around like an elephant or like an angry sheep. Okay? But what we're going to do is each one of these exercises, we're going to hit it or exercise for 45 seconds. We're going to do it as fast as we can. So you may want to set a timer or get your mum or dad to set a timer to time you, and you're going to rest for 45 seconds so you can get ready. Oh, sorry, 15 seconds. We're going to rest for 15 seconds before moving on to the next animal exercise. Okay? So I'm going to put a timer on, and I'm going to encourage you as well. I'm going to demonstrate it. And we're gonna finish this in 7 minutes, okay? So you can do this in your bedroom, you can do it in the living room, I'm doing it in the garage, you can do it in the garden, you can do it everywhere, okay? This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I've got an interval timer here, so I'm gonna time us. So you ready? Okay, let's go. It's about to start. So the first exercise, a frog jump. You're gonna bend down like this, knees out wide, hands on the floor, and every time you jump, your hands have to touch the floor. And you're going to jump around as fast as you can and as high as you can, okay? And you can make noises like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. I wonder if the neighbors are watching. Okay, and you're going to keep going, don't stop. Your mum or dad is timing you, and hopefully it'll start beeping when we have a rest. Okay, keep going. We got 10 more seconds, okay? Keep pushing it. Keep making noises. I want to hear you. Can I hear you? Alice and Maggie, hope you're doing this really good. Okay. Now we got bear walks. This is also known as bear crawls, okay? So you're going to go onto your hands and feet, and you're going to crawl around like a bear. And you can, oh, we're not ready yet. Now we're ready. Okay, and you can chase the cameraman or camera woman, and you can go around in circles. And you can also go backwards. Backwards is much harder, and you have to go much slower as well. So keep going around. Watch you don't bump into anything. Alice, try not to bump into Maggie. Okay? So that's your bear crawl. But keep going, don't stop because I stopped. I'm out of breath. Whew, this is hard work. What are you laughing at? Okay, so we've got 10 more seconds. Okay, try to go as fast as you can now. Backwards, forwards, in circles. And then we've got to rest for 15 seconds before the next exercise. Okay, 15 seconds. Huh? Rest. I need a rest. Okay, gorilla shuffle is the next exercise, okay? This will be funny. We'll try to figure out what a gorilla looks like. Okay, so again, you're gonna go down and you're gonna crawl around like a gorilla, and try to scratch your armpits if you can, because I guess that's what they do. Is this is this nice towards gorillas? I don't know. That's like that. And you can jump every now and again, because that's what monkeys do, I guess. Similar to gorilla. Kind of look like you, so how do you walk? All right. That's it, and keep jumping around. Okay, gorilla shuffle, keep going, you got 10 more seconds. Whew. Then we can have a banana after this. All right, now you've got that rest. You can stop 15 seconds. Now we have starfish jumps. I'm yet to see a starfish do this, but I guess they do when we're not looking. So, starfish jump. You're gonna take your feet out wide, hands out above your head, and you're gonna jump like that. This is your star jump, or starfish jump. Okay, and you've got to do as many as you can in that 45 seconds. So keep going. You can go around in circles if you want. Whew. This is a good workout, 7 minutes. Whoa. Okay, we've got 15 seconds. Whew. Keep going. How you doing, Alice and Maggie? You still with me? You still going, I hope? Okay, 5 seconds. Keep going as fast as you can now. And now, rest for 15 seconds. Okay, and we're gonna go on to Cheetah Run next time. So, this is running as fast as you can, but on the spot. So don't go running outside in the street. Stay in your bedroom, stay in your garage, and go. 15 seconds. Faster. Okay, bring your knees up high. Whew. Run as fast as a cheetah, which is definitely not me. I'm a little bit more like a tortoise. I wish they had a tortoise run on here. I'd be really good at that. Whew, bring those knees up. Move your arms. Keep going, you got 10 more seconds. And 5 seconds left. Keep going fast as you can. And stop for 15 seconds. You have a rest. Whew. We need it. Okay, crab crawl next. Glad I got my wrist guards on. So now you're going to go onto your, well, this is going to be fun. So you're going to go onto your hands and your feet, and you've got to crawl sideways like this. Whew. This is a difficult one. Okay. You can go backwards, but I guess it's mostly sideways, because that's what crabs do. Whew. And try not to let your bum touch the floor, and then you got to go back. I don't feel so smooth and ladylike doing this. Am I doing it right here? Whew. Okay, keep going. How are we doing for time? Oh, you got 5 more seconds. And then you've got the elephant stomp as the last exercise, but you got 15 seconds to rest. Whew. And then we're almost done. So with an elephant stomp, you got stomp as hard as you can. Okay, stomp like that. Around the room. You can make a little bit of an elephant noise. Go after the camera woman. Go after your mum. Go after your dad, after your friends. And keep stomping. Bring those knees up really high. Stamp on the floor. If you're upstairs, try not to make too much noise downstairs. Don't bother your neighbors. That's it. Swing your arms back and forth as well. Whew. Can't believe you talked me into this, Ebony. I talked myself into it. Well, you're nearly done. Okay, we are done. Yay! Done. Give yourself a round of applause. Yay. Okay, so if you want, you can take a picture of that. So it's a kid's 7-minute workout, not by Kris Gethin, but with Kris Gethin. And you do as many as you can when you're doing each one of those for 45 seconds. That was a lot of fun, and that was a lot harder than I thought it'd be. It's the first time I've done it. I don't know if it's the first time you've done it, but it's hard. I think I'm going to have a banana and a drink. Maybe I'll go down the watering hole and see if I can see some elephants down there and have myself a slurp. But thank you ever so much for joining me. Let me know if you want to see more kids workouts like this, and I'll consider it. I'll consider it.